What's going on YouTube? In this video I'll be attempting to change out my air filter right here in the middle. As you can see, it is damaged, and I'm trying to change it out to this dual setup right here. It's a universal dual intake setup. I'm not sure if I'm gonna use these or if I'm just gonna use two of these, because I did buy two of them, and if it doesn't work out I'll just end up keeping this one. But that's basically what I'll try to do in this video right here and see if it works out. Also, thanks to all the new subscribers, likes and comments. And if you do like this content, let me know under the comments below, or what kind of videos you want to see, stuff like that. But we'll go ahead and start on this real quick. So basically, like I said, I'll try to put this on here today, but I'm pretty sure I'm gonna end up cutting it, because as you can tell, there's not a lot of space for it. It hits the hoses right here, like it gets real close to here and all of this. So I'll be trying to trim it down. And if that doesn't work out, like I said, I will be keeping just one of these, but I'll start by cutting this and seeing if I can make it work. I have the other filters down here. These are the replacement filters, and they're made by Edelbrock, and that's the model number right there, 43612. Like I said, if it doesn't work out, I mean, I'll just keep one of them. But I'll go ahead and try this. I know I will trim it and see what happens from there. So here we go. Also, my mass airflow sensor is right here in the middle. As you can see, the wire's right here, and it'll be staying in the same spot. I'm not sure if I'll change this. It might stay, but basically this is just coming off, and I'll go ahead and do that right now and start on it. I loosened it already, but there you can see the mass airflow sensor. So since the hose right here does get in the way, I removed it out of this factory spot, and I was able to push it down, and it looks like it'll line up to this factory hole right here on the electric fans. I just gotta drill it out, and that should be good, and put it back into place. But I'll go ahead and try that real quick.
Make dollars move away. Hey, time is valuable for me, so hey, I'ma slow it down with a train. Watch what you say when you mention my name. I don't like fame, but they know who I am. We are not the same. Hit you like a train, conscious off the brain. My flow leaves stains. Hey, I'll make her attitude change. Hey, soon as she looks in my bands, yeah, now she wanna dance 'cause she took a glance and she knows we staying out late. Hey.
All right, guys. So here's the finished product, and it was actually simpler than I thought, but this is what it looks like right here. I actually didn't have to end up cutting nothing on the air intake part, which was even better, because like you saw right here earlier, I just had to move this hose down, and everything else just kind of fit in pretty good, like it was made for it or something. Because I mean, it was too easy. Actually, I was ready to cut something up. But the only thing I would say is maybe on this side, as you can see, it's a little bit higher, and it's just because it's touching on this bottom bracket of the fans. But I can just like either trim it if I really want to, or just try to slide the intake a little bit more in. But I just left it alone, because since I don't have my hood in right now, you know, I'm not sure if I want to keep this one or the Edelbrock ones that I had purchased. I also did try out the other intakes, the Edelbrocks, and I like how they looked and everything, but they were a little bit taller than this one. But I'm not sure which one I'll end up keeping till I put on my hood. But for now, I'll just probably have this one on. This is basically how it turned out. I think it looks pretty cool. Like I said, I also did cap off this little vent right here, because I mean, I don't have anything that goes on there, so I just kept it off. But everything, like I said, is pretty simple. Just straight in right here. I did move up the mass airflow sensor to the top so I can get to it easier. Let me know what you guys think under the comments on the install, if you like it or not. Also, if you do, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll also add two clips right now so you can hear the difference on both intakes, to see if you can hear any difference on them or anything like that. But that'll be it for this video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. We're gone.
Hey, Sam. Now I'm really. happen overnight. Do it now, you don't live twice. Fuck them haters, no one nice. But this ice and these nights and her thighs and her size and her eyes, man, she my type. Work all day and grind all night. You can't block what's meant to shine. I've been waiting all my life to finally say that it's